Today we're making my go-to barbacoa recipe. The cuts of beef that I'm using for my barbacoa is traditionally you just use any part of the head, but I have selective eaters and I find that when I mix chuck and beef cheek, it works perfectly. But if you have family members that really don't like fatty foods or cuts of beef, then keep out the beef cheek. We're gonna start by seasoning with a little bit of salt. I'll end up using about 1 teaspoon, some black pepper, and my favorite Mexican oregano. Oh, I cut that piece really ugly. I'm sure it's gonna be the best one. It's those things where you're not even trying that they just come out so great. It's gonna be that piece. Ooh, we're gonna need 2 of those. To make our delicious sauce for our barbacoa, we're gonna need about 4 to 6 garlic cloves. And you're just gonna need 1 whole onion to put in here. You're gonna need 2 Caribbean peppers. If you do not have access to the Caribbean peppers, you can use a jalapeño, and if you use a serrano, it's gonna be really spicy. Okay, we're also gonna need some green onions, and that's 2 of them. And we're also gonna use 2 Anaheim peppers. Okay, to your blender, you're gonna add 2 cups of water, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano. You're also gonna need 1 tablespoon of coriander. And if you like spice, you're gonna wanna use 2 to 3 chiles de arbol. And now you're gonna blend until smooth. And boom, done. Okay, let's go ahead and place our seasoned beef pieces right into our Instant Pot. Then you're gonna go ahead and pour your sauce over the top. Ooh, that smells so good. Ooh, that Anaheim was juicy. Okay, move your pieces around. And for the barbacoa, you're gonna pressure cook for 1 hour. After an hour, you're gonna hit cancel, and then you're gonna slow cook for 2 hours. And you get that same authentic street taco taste. And boom, done. It's time to shred or help it fall apart. Should be super tender. We won't have to do much. Yeah. See that? This piece right here is our chuck. Let me show you the fattier pieces that are the beef cheek. You can just tell them apart so easily. And this right here is the beef cheek. You see that? You can mix them both up. Chop them up and mix them, which I do often. But I have one of my family members that said today that they don't want to eat too fatty, so I'm going to separate them like this. This will help you keep all of your beef nice and juicy.